Hello, welcome to Flash Trade One. Let me provide you the detail regarding how we are trading with our strategies. Look at our website www.flashtradeone.com, and I'm going to show you the live statement of our clients who has initiated the trade with 100,000 capital, that is in USD. He has started trade nearly in the month of March, and if I'm scrolling it down, you can see at the bottom of the page, which is a live statement of our clients, he has made 2.8 million USD profit. Now you can see each and every trade very clearly, how strategically we have traded through our mirror trading service, and you can see the maximum drawdown, absolute drawdown ratio, as well as relative drawdown ratio over here. As per our trading strategies, you can see our win rate is almost 78.23%, that is the accuracy, and our loss trades are 22% around. So how we trade with our strategical trading, you can ask us. This is just for your information to provide you how clients make 100 million USD to 2.8 million USD. Thank you very much for giving your time.